In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom login page in WordPress. By following these steps, you will be able to personalize the login experience for your users, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com site, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once the page loads, you will see options related to site management. Look for the Sites tab, which typically appears prominently on the homepage. Next, click on the Create with AI option. This button is usually located within the site's dashboard and will guide you through the initial setup process. After selecting this option, a new interface will appear where the AI will assist you in building your custom site. After that, you will see a prompt labeled Laying the Foundations. Click on this option to proceed. The system may take a moment to load, during which the AI prepares the necessary tools and features for your custom login page. Once this appears, a message will prompt you to create a website as unique as you. This step is crucial as it sets the tone for your site's identity. Pay attention to the suggestions and start thinking about how you want your login page to reflect your brand. At this point, you will need to type in "Create a custom login page" in WordPress into the provided text field. This action helps the AI understand your specific requirements. Ensure that you enter the text accurately before moving forward. After entering the text, click the Enter key to submit your request. The system will then process your input, and you may see a loading indicator while it works on generating the necessary elements for your login page. Next, you will be greeted with a message indicating that WordPress.com can create a custom login page. This confirmation means that you are on the right track and the AI is ready to assist you further. Continue by typing in the choice given above when prompted. This step is essential for guiding the AI to tailor the login page according to your specifications. Double check your entry. Click on Enter again to confirm your selection. This action will prompt the system to proceed with generating the custom login features based on your input. You will now see a message asking you for the site title. This title is what will appear in the Browser tab, so choose something that represents your site well. Take a moment to consider. Type in the name of your site in the designated field. This title will be an integral part of your site's identity, so make sure it aligns with your branding. After typing the name, click Enter to finalize your entry. The system will now process this information to integrate it into your site setup. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description for your site. This description will appear in search results and social media previews, making it an important aspect of your online presence. Type in a tagline that succinctly describes what your site offers. This should be engaging and informative to attract your target audience. Once you've entered your tagline, click Enter to submit this information. The system will take a moment to process your entry. The next step involves clicking on Create My Site. This button is crucial as it finalizes the creation of your custom login page and overall site. You will then see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is working on generating your custom sites, and the process might take a few moments. Wait for it to generate your site. This step can take some time, depending on the complexity of your requests and the current server load. Be patient while the AI completes this task. Finally, you might see a message stating this might take a while. This is a normal part of the process, and you should allow the system to finish without interruption. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along, and see you next time.